A bird that can imitate human speech, one of nature's most intelligent creatures. This is the parrot. Hundreds of parrot species live across the world. Their colorful feathers look like a masterpiece painted by nature itself. From India to South America, from Africa to Australia, parrots thrive in a wide variety of environments. Parrots are not just beautiful birds. Their intelligence has amazed scientists for generations. They can remember and imitate human voices, ringing bells, music, and many other sounds. With their strong, curved beaks, parrots can easily crack even the hardest nuts and seeds. By spreading seeds across forests and woodlands, parrots help new trees and plants grow. Parrots are highly social animals. They live in groups and constantly communicate with one another. Unfortunately, many parrot species are now threatened by deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and climate change. These extraordinary birds combine beauty and intelligence in a truly remarkable way. Protecting parrots is our responsibility. Let's save parrots and protect nature.